Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay, where's it from?
Greenfield, Indiana.
Greenfield, Indiana. From the company of Walmart.
Walmart.
And and it has batteries on it. It says lithium batteries forbidden for transport aboard aircraft or vessel.
Hello YouTube, and welcome to today's Ham Radio Ham unboxing video.
Yeah, we've had the package for about a week, but we just haven't opened it.
HamRadioHam.com unboxing.
Well, I guess so. I don't think I've bought that domain yet, but if you're watching the video, you found it, okay? Alright?
Right?
Open this up a little bit here.
This is dedicated to Julie Elevators and Diesel DC.
Oh, it is?
Yep. Because he loves unboxing videos.
Oh, okay. See, I'm using scissors, but I'm being careful, okay?
Okay.
See, I'm holding it by the handles here and everything, and I put both my fingers at the thick part of the blades here, and I'm only using this blade to cut. So I'm holding it here, and I'm cutting that. Okay?
Okay.
So we got that cut. And we got that cut. Okay? Okay. You go ahead and unwrap it, and I'll film, okay? Because I know how you like to open gifts and presents. Okay?
Up.
What is it?
Guess what it is?
What is it?
That's right. A US cellular phone.
Oh, is it a smartphone?
Yep.
Just like Jeffrey's?
Yep.
Is that Jeffrey's new smartphone now?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. That's an early Christmas present for you. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. The only thing that Dad needs to do is go find a micro SD card so you have more storage, so you can put more pictures and games on it. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
And that's gonna be it.
That's going to be it. That's it for the unboxing video.
Okay.